Hello. I'm Hans. I'll be your nurse for today.
How are you?
I'm doing well. Are you?
I'm doing fine.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
Shane Young, 1224 Oakville.
Okay. Wash my hands. Get my gloves. So what brings you in here today?
Just a general checklist.
Okay. Do you have any allergies?
No.
Are you on any medications?
I take albuterol for my asthma.
Yeah, asthma. Okay. Is there any past medical history, surgeries that you
No.
ever? Okay. So what about family history of medication, surgeries, or anything?
No.
Okay. Also asking you questions. I'll put on your point socks. Is that okay? And which one do you prefer?
It doesn't matter. You can put it on this one.
Okay. Can you put it down for me? Okay. Did you eat anything today? Are you feeling any pain or discomfort?
No, I'm not even in discomfort.
Okay. Okay. I'd like to take your blood pressure. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So I'll take it over here. Okay. And passing down that, I would like to take your temperature as well too.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Here. Okay. 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 It's right there. Okay. Can you hear this for me? Thank you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. By the way, before I start, do you know your normal blood pressure level?
Like 130 over 80, I believe.
Okay. Relax for me. Okay. So it's 131 over 71. I'll put it right here. And then okay. So you're actually your vital signs are in normal range. I don't see any abnormal findings. Can you sit up for me so I can check your heart sounds? You can put it back on. And in this case, I'll have you take it off, get your gown on, and stuff like that. Okay. There's a sus. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Are you ready? Almanac. Iris point is normally for kids. So I'll go down here to your tricuspid. And then your mitral valve. That's the apical pulse. Okay. Now I'll be assessing your lungs. Okay. Okay. Begin one more time. Okay. Okay. Exhale. One more time. And I'll obviously be listening to this for a minute. Okay. One more time. One more time. Okay. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Okay. Now check your posterior. Now, did not touch the scapula, so let's go. Scapula. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Okay. Your lung smells good. You can see. I wash my hands. Do you have anything else?
Nah, any questions on the surgery right now?
Okay. Thank you.